In the never-ending quest for increased solar module efficiency, manufacturers have tried various approaches to make PV cells transform solar energy into as much electrical power as possible. One of the successful technologies that have emerged from this quest is the PERC type module. Tide Solar lets its customers experience the benefits of PERC technology through the TD-144HC series. With power ranging from 430 to 450 watts, this module series can reach a high-level conversion efficiency of 20.7% thanks to its PERC technology. In PERC cells, a passivation layer is added to the back of each solar cell, allowing some of the sun's rays to reflect back into the solar cell, giving them another opportunity to be turned into energy. Consequently, the dielectric passivation layer contributes to the increase of the solar cell's ability to capture light, ultimately resulting in the module having greater efficiency. Each module in this series is also powered by 144 half-cut monocrystalline cells, which enable it to perform well even in low light conditions. The other benefits of half-cut cells are a lower risk of hotspots and better shade tolerance. Our product is proven to be reliable since it has passed dust, acid and alkali tests, can withstand high levels of wind and snow pressure, and is resistant to potential induced degradation effects. Since 2011, Tide Solar has been helping customers worldwide gain access to safe and clean green energy by providing high-quality solar modules.